On the banks of a river, there is a tree where a swarm of bees set up their beehive. They remain busy the entire day buzzing on flowers and collecting honey. One fine day, a bee feels thirsty and goes to the river to drink some water. As the bee tries to drink, a wave of the current sweeps it away. The bee starts drowning. Fortunately, a beautiful dove, who has been watching from a distance, rushes to help the poor bee. She plucks a big leaf from a tree and flies towards the bee. The dove places the leaf near the bee. The bee mounts on the leaf and dries its wings. In some time, the bee finds the strength to fly away to safety. A couple of weeks later, the dove is caught in a dangerous situation. As she is sitting on the branch of a tree, an archer targets at her. The dove looks for an escape but sees a large hawk hovering around her. That's when her good deed returns to her. The bee comes to her rescue by stinging the archer hard. By then the archer releases the arrow, which misses the dove and hits the hawk instead. The dove flies away to safety. Moral of the story: good always comes back. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends.